Friends, this video continues in our last situation where the business executive has introduced Bharat-Benz, and it is time to understand the customer's requirements which defines the product we should pitch. Only your confidence in a Bharat-Benz product can infuse confidence in your prospect. Let's try to understand the importance of research and self-confidence.
Sir, let me assure you that Lakshmi Enterprises can only benefit from the association with Bharat-Benz.
I'm sure.
Thank you. Sir, if I understand correctly, you're in courier business, right?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, are you operating for any company or are your trucks attached with contract?
Direct to the companies.
Okay. And so which company is it?
Gati?
Gati. Okay. And sir, presently how many vehicles are you using for this?
Well, at the moment I've got 20 vehicles, 10 Eichers 1110, 5 Tata 1109 and 5 AL Boss.
And sir, how much payload do you take per trip?
Approximately 8.3 tons.
Sir, your Tata 1109 is the model with rotary pump engine.
Yes, exactly.
So at present, Bharat-Benz has a similar model called BB1214R. But the difference is that our vehicle comes with a CRDI pump. So the BB1214R is a 140 bhp engine, whereas Tata 1109 is a 90 bhp engine. So our BB1214R will give you better mileage than the Tata model.
Oh, that's interesting.
So what is your major route of operations?
Well, between Mumbai, Delhi and Mumbai, Ahmedabad.
Okay. And sir, how many days does it take for a trip?
2 days.
Yes, okay. So is there any delay for loading unloading?
No.
Okay. And how much distance the vehicle covers in a day?
Approximately 300 kilometers.
300 kilometers. So what are the freight charges and are toll charges included?
18,000 rupees plus toll.
18,000 plus toll. Okay. And so what is the salary of your driver?
18,000 rupees plus BATA 100 rupees.
Okay. Sir, can you please guide me on the total toll expense incurred per trip?
Approximately 2,000 rupees per trip.
So where do you build your body?
Mumbai, Suraksha Agencies.
And how much do you pay for the bodybuilding?
Approximately 1.75 lakhs.
Okay. So do you carry goods as loose items or in boxes?
No, we only carry courier parcels.
So based on your operational needs, I will suggest you a BB1214R, which is a 19 feet cabin and chassis. This will fit your business to also aid in increasing profits.
And how?
So Bharat-Benz vehicle's load body is 19 feet long, which is the same as Tata 1109. But the major difference, as I mentioned earlier, is that Bharat-Benz vehicle comes with a CRDI pump, whereas Tata comes with a rotary pump. And sir, as you may be aware, that rotary pump is very expensive to maintain.
Oh, alright.
Also, Bharat-Benz 1214R comes with a powerful engine which produces 140 bhp, whereas Tata 1109 produces only 90 bhp. This also has additional benefits such as very good mileage, maintenance will be less in Bharat-Benz. Also, you will get extra 10% mileage, which is better than Tata.
Is it so?
Yes, sir. So let me explain. Bharat-Benz 1214R comes with 4D34i Peugeot Canter engine, which is a fuel-efficient engine. Oil change interval happens every 30,000 kilometers. C85 Synchromesh gearbox delivers more power, more torque when compared to its competition. Oil change interval is every 60,000 kilometers. Clutch diameter is 360 mm, which ensures more contact for more power transmission and low slippage. The frame of the chassis is short blasted and corrosion resistant. High depth and flange width actually helps increase the stiffness of the chassis. Rear suspension improves the load carrying ability of the vehicle and ensures high reliability. So, our vehicle is totally designed to increase your profit. For example, any vehicle, any load, the freight rates are the same. But with Bharat-Benz, you make extra earning through better fuel efficiency, low maintenance cost, and longer life for aggregates. And all these things can be achieved through BB1214R.
Wow.
So sir, tell me, when can I show you this vehicle?
Well, next week, Friday is fine with me.
Great, sir.
Because the business executive has done appropriate research, he has all the operational data available like route kilometer running, trip time, mileage, return load, etc. By using this data, he can easily calculate the operating economics in the Empower tablet. Remember to use the segment-wise sales page and sample calculations as per application.
Sir, I would like to invite you to a Bharat-Benz dealership for a test drive, and we'll also show you the kind of facilities available with us. This will help you in making the right decision.
I would love to see that.
So sir, when will it be convenient for you?
Friday 2 p.m. Is that fine?
Great. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
It is very important to keep the prospect's interest in mind, calculate the operating economics, and make sure that you're always talking about the prospect's profitability. And his benefit is your first priority. And this, friends, is the Bharat Benz way.